Okay, so example number 1, we want to write the following in pence. So we're starting with £1 and we need to memorise that £1 is the same as 100 pence. So it's kind of like if you're just ignoring that decimal point there. Now for example number 2, we want to write £3 in pence. Now remember that's £3 up the top corner there. Your first pound gives you 100 pence. Your second pound gives you a total of 200 pence, and your third pound gives you a total of 300 pence. For example 3, we're going to take it up a wee step. We're going to have £3 and 79 pence altogether. So let's lay out the money up the top. So that's 1, 2, £3 and then our wee 79 pence. So let's convert that. £1 gives you 100 pence, your second pound gives you 200 pence, and your third pound gives you 300 pence. When I add that 79 pence in, that gives me 379 pence. Right, so this time we're going the opposite direction. We're starting with pence and we want our answer to be in pounds. So the first thing we need to memorise is 100 pence is the same as £1. So that's just the exact same as what we did before. We've just flipped it around. Okay, example number 2. The question we've got here is we've got 400 pence and we want to write that into pounds. Okay, so we're going to use a similar technique as we did in the last ones. Okay, so there's 4 lots of 100 pence, and remember that 100 pence is the same as £1. So that gives me £1. Bring the second one down gives me £2. Bringing the third one in gives me £3. And bringing the fourth one in will give me my final answer of £4. Okay, so here's our final example. Okay, this time we're starting with 407 pence. So let's gather that up the top corner the same way as we had. So there's 1, 2, 3, 400 pence, and then we've got the wee 7 pence. Now we're going to bring that down. So 100 pence gives me £1. Adding in the next one gives me £2. Adding in the next one gives me £3. My last lot of 100 pence takes me up to £4, and then that wee 7p gets added in to give me a final answer of £4 and 7 pence.